Welcome back to TrueHost Academy, ready to learn how to add a product in WHMCS. Let's get right into the step-by-step process so you can start offering your services through WHMCS. Step 1. Navigate to Product Services. First, log into your WHMCS account. On the dashboard, go to Configuration. From there, click on System Settings and then select Product Services. Before adding any product, you'll first need to create a product group. Click on Create Group to begin organizing your new product. Step 2. Create a product group. This step helps organize your products and makes it easier for your customers to navigate. In the Create Group section, you'll fill in details like the product group name, a headline, and whether the group should be visible or hidden. Also, add a catchy tagline to help customers understand what the group offers. Once you've filled in these details, click Save Changes. Step 3. Adding features. Now that your product group is created, let's add some features. After saving the product group, you'll see an option to add new feature. Click on that option and provide details for each feature you want to include. For example, you might want to highlight features like free SSL certificates or 24/7 customer support. Ensure to save each feature as you go along. Step 4. Adding a new product. Now that your product group is ready and features are added, let's add a new product. Back in the Product Services area, select Create a New Product. Choose the product type. For this example, we'll select Shared Hosting. Make sure to associate it with the product group you just created. Next, enter a product name. Let's call it Basic Hosting Plan. Choose the module for automation. In this case, I selected cPanel. Once you've filled in these details, click Continue to Proceed. Step 5. Edit Product. You'll be taken to the Edit Product page. Here's where you go into details of your new product. 1. Product Details. Here you can edit details about your product. Add a product description. You can use HTML here for formatting. Configure settings like the welcome email, whether to require domain, and if it should be hidden or featured. 2. Pricing. Next, set the pricing details. Choose the payment type, whether it's a free, one-time fee, or recurring payment. For our basic hosting plan, let's set the setup fee to $3 and the price to $3 monthly. You can also configure the recurring cycles limit and auto-terminate fixed-term settings if needed. 3. Module Settings. Move to Module Settings. Select the server group if applicable and enter the WHM package name. Configure parameters for resources like disk space and bandwidth. Make sure to select the option to automatically set up the product as soon as an order is placed. 4. Custom Fields. Now let's head to Custom Fields. Here you can add any additional fields you want displayed on the order form. Enter the field name, description, and decide if you want it to be visible on the order form or invoice. 5. Configurable Options and Upgrades. Next, go to Configurable Options to set up features customers can choose during checkout. In the Upgrade section, decide if you want to allow customers to upgrade or downgrade their plans. 6. Free Domain Options. In the Free Domain section, you can offer a free domain with your hosting plan. Choose the payment terms and domain TLDs to include. 7. Additional Settings. Finally, in the Other section, configure affiliate payouts if applicable and set up overage billing options. 8. Links. Review the Links section to find direct shopping cart links for your new product. Use these links in your marketing materials to direct customers straight to your product. Step 6. Save your product and test it. Once you've reviewed all the sections and ensured everything is accurate, click on Save Changes to finalize your product creation. Now that your product is saved, let's test it. Try placing an order yourself using the direct shopping cart link you just reviewed. This step ensures everything is working smoothly, from the order form to payment processing. And there you have it. Your new product is now live and ready for customers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WHMCS tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy, and see you next time.